In this video, we are going to learn electric geyser complete wiring and working. So let's start video and first understand components of electric geyser. So it's a heater. Okay, it's a immersion type heater and you can see it's a 3 kilowatt heater. In normal electric geyser, 2 kilowatt heater is connected, but it's a 3 kilowatt heater. Also we have two thermostat. It's first thermostat. In this you can see temperature is given from 5 degrees Celsius temperature to 75 degrees Celsius. You can set temperature manually. Okay, for now its setting is 55 degrees Celsius temperature. So we increase its setting and set to 65 degrees Celsius temperature. When 65 degrees Celsius temperature comes, so heater will off. Okay, and when temperatures decrease and comes under 65, so it will turn on heater. So in this thermostat you can set temperature manually. It's a second thermostat. In second thermostat, reset button is also given. This thermostat works only when your first thermostat are damaged or not working or any fault in your geyser. Okay, so if this thermostat trip, then your geyser is faulty, and for resetting just need to open geyser. After that you can reset this thermostat. So this thermostat trip only when your geyser is faulty. It's a power on indicator. Okay, if input power supply comes in your geyser, so this indicator will glow. Okay, this indicator trip only when, this indicator will not glow only when your first thermostat is tripped. That means your geyser is in faulty condition. Then this indicator will turn off. It's a heater on indicator. If your heater is on, then this indicator will glow. If your heater is off, then this indicator will off. Okay, connection is very simple. First we connect line power supply in first thermostat input terminal. Okay, so first we connect one connector in first thermostat input terminal. If all conditions okay, so output of this thermostat connect in second thermostat. Make sure all connection fully tight. So it's a second thermostat. So we connect first thermostat output and second thermostat input terminal, and we connect both thermostat in series connection. Okay, if all conditions is okay, so this output connect in second thermostat output terminal and connect this connector to heater terminal. Okay, if all conditions is okay, temperature is okay, then heater will turn on. Okay, so line connection is very simple and we connect a neutral directly. Okay, if thermostat trip, then heater will off. Connection is very simple. Now line and neutral need to given in two wires and your heater will work. And we have two indicators. First, in indicators we have two wires for line and neutral. So first we connect to both indicators neutral wire. Okay, first we do wiring for indicators neutral power supply. So we connect neutral directly to heater terminal. So all neutrals, indicators and heater neutral connects in heater terminal. Okay, neutral connection is done for both indicator. Make sure all connections should be fully tight. We have two indicators. It's a heater on and off indicator. So for this, if temperature is under, so supply will pass and heater will on, and if this thermostat trip, so indicator and heater will off. So we do connection for heater on indicator in second thermostat output terminal. Okay, if this thermostat trip, so supply will cut off and indicator and heater will off. Okay, so for heater and power heater on indicator we connect to supply here. Now for power on indicator, when your power supply is come, so this indicator will glow. If first thermostat trip, so supply will cut off here. So connect power on indicator from first thermostat output terminal. If this thermostat trip, then this indicator will turn off. In normal condition, this indicator will glow continuously. I hope you clear the concept of indicator and heater connection. Now let's see proper working. For proper working, we connect one tub or mug, and we will see all working of geyser practically. Okay, now first we turn on power supply. Both indicator is glowing. Also heater is on. you can see water temperature is increasing. Okay, first understand second thermostat working. First you can see we enter second thermostat in water. It will measure temperature of water. If its temperature is more than 65, then your green indicator will off. Okay, it's measuring temperature, and when temperature is above 65, so you can see temperature is increasing, and you can see if temperature is above 65, so green indicator off, that means heater is off. Okay, I hope you understand second thermostat working. If this thermostat is not working, okay, in this condition first thermostat work, you can see power is on, heater is also on. If your second thermostat is not working or damaged, in this condition first thermostat, you can see its temperature is 90 degree. If water temperature more than 90 degrees Celsius, you can see water is increasing, temperature is increasing. If its temperature more than 90 degree, then this thermostat will turn off your heater. Okay, you can see temperature is increasing, and 90 degree you can see thermostat is trip, and if thermostat trip, both indicator is off. You can see both indicator is off. That means your first thermostat is faulty condition, not working. If your first thermostat not work, then second thermostat will trip, and if second thermostat trip, so just need to open your geyser and reset, press this reset button, and you can see your indicator is working, also heater is on. But before reset this button, please check first thermostat and check your geyser is faulty or not. After that, reset this button. I hope you clear the concept of geyser complete, wiring and working. If you like this video, please press like button. For today's enough. We'll meet in next video. Thanks for watching.